Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, Photoshop is open in my PC. I'm pressing Ctrl+N for taking new project. From here, I'm renaming it by tutorial_92. Width and height 1920 by 1080 pixel. Then OK. I'm unlocking this layer by clicking on this lock icon. Okay, I'm going to text. And here I'll write hello world. Okay, now I'll try to change the color. I'm selecting the text. I'm going to here for changing the color. First I'll try red, then okay. See, color is not changing. Again I'm selecting the text. I'm going to here, maybe I'll try green, but see, color is not changing. Again I'm selecting the text for trying whether it will change the color or not. I'm trying blue, then okay. It changes the color from ash to black, but it is supposed to be blue, so color is not changing. I'm pressing on this tick mark. Now I will open a colored picture and drag that colored picture to this project for showing whether it changes the color or not. Okay, I'm pressing Ctrl+O for opening. This is my picture. I'm selecting my picture and clicking on open. For unlocking this layer, I'm clicking on this lock icon. After selecting move tool, I'll drag this picture to my previous project and drop it here. See, I'm taking my hello world here. And see, when I drop my colored picture in this project, that picture got faded and is showing only black and white. So it's a huge funny problem. For thumbnail designing, I use Photoshop in a regular basis, but suddenly I noticed a problem that color is not changing. I'm changing the color of text to red, green, blue, but color is not changing, only black and white are there. I have tried to open a colored photo, but also color is not changing, only black and white are there. Okay, so do you want to know why this is happening? This is actually a very funny thing. My color also got faded. So if you want to know why this is happening, just from your keyboard press Ctrl+N for taking new project, and let's get into video once again. From your keyboard press Ctrl+N for taking new project, and color mode grayscale is selected. From here you just select RGB color, then OK. Now I'll go to text. I'll write here the same thing, HELLOWORLD world. Now I'll select the text and I'll change the color, maybe blue. See, now at this moment color is changing. Okay, I'm clicking on this tick mark. I'm selecting move tool. I'm placing it here. I'm going to my that picture. I'm just drag this picture and I'll drop it here. Okay, this text should be top of this picture. See, now you can change the color of your text and you are seeing the colorings of colored picture. So that is it actually. At the time of taking new project, somehow if grayscale is selected, you cannot change the color of your text, and also if you import the colored picture to your project, your picture will be faded out and you will see only black and white. So this is the reason actually, and when you will select RGB color, then you will see all the colors, red, green, blue, all the fundamental colors. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Hopefully you understood why this is happening, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. Actually in LeonsBD, MS Word series is going on. Okay, so this is a break in MS Word series, and from the next video I'll be resuming in MS Word series. Okay, so keep watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.